stop doing your taxes the hard way and start saving money instead. Taxes don't have to be a burden if you know the right strategies. Let Bell's Accounting show you the magic of LLC write-offs. All right, let's dive in. First up, business expenses. You can write off things like office supplies, think pens, paper, and printers. These everyday items can add up quickly, so make sure to keep track of all your receipts. If you work from home, guess what? Your home office can be a goldmine for deductions. Part of your rent or mortgage can be a write-off too. This includes utilities, internet, and even a portion of your property taxes. Traveling for business, those plane tickets and hotel stays, yep, write-offs. Whether you're flying across the country or driving to a nearby city, travel expenses can be deducted. Don't forget about meals when you're schmoozing clients. Just keep it reasonable. No caviar unless it's a business necessity. Meals and entertainment can be partially deducted, so keep those receipts. Got a business vehicle, you can deduct mileage, repairs, and even gas. Whether you're driving to meet clients or picking up supplies, these costs can be written off. Just keep a good logbook. No one wants to battle the tax man unprepared. Detailed records are your best defense in case of an audit. Here's a fun one. Education. Courses, seminars, and even books related to your business are all fair game. Investing in your education can pay off in more ways than one. So go ahead and sign up for that online class you've been eyeing. Continuous learning is not only beneficial for your business, but also a smart tax move. And finally, don't overlook software and subscriptions. That snazzy accounting software or cloud storage, essential tools for your business, and yes, they are write-offs. These tools help you stay organized and efficient, making them a worthy investment. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. So keep those receipts, stay organized, and let Bell's Accounting guide you to tax-saving glory. The more organized you are, the easier it will be to maximize your deductions. Visit www.rbelltaxservices.com for more tips and personalized advice. Happy saving, everyone. With the right guidance, tax season can be a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more valuable tips.